Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Amazon Workforce account. So if this sounds helpful, then keep watching this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to never miss any upcoming uploads. So the first thing you need to do is, in the search bar of a web browser, type in Amazon Employee Login. Now from here a bunch of results will open. You need to click on the option which says Amazon Employee Portal. The name of the website is amazon.force.com. Now start by typing in your username and then type in the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password option. From there, you can reset and then create a new password for your Amazon Workforce account. When you're done filling in these information, you can click on Login. That's how you easily can log into your Amazon Workforce account. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'll be back soon with more videos similar to this.